How to log in iFlix account on mobile. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to log in to your iFlix account. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the iFlix app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the iFlix app, just tap on the Me or Profile tab at the bottom right corner of the screen, and from there you can simply tap on Login option. After that, on the new page you will see different login options. Here you can log in with email or phone. You can continue with Facebook, continue with Google if supported. So here you can just choose a preferred method. So here for this video I'll be using the email or phone number option. And now here you just need to enter your registered email and phone number, and after that you need to enter your password. And once you're done with that, you just need to tap on login, and if you have forgotten your password, you can simply tap on forget password, and after that you can simply follow the reset instructions. And once you're logged in, you will be taken straight to the dashboard where you can browse your favorite shows, access downloads, and manage your subscriptions. And that's it. That's how you can log into your iFlix or VTV iFlix account on mobile. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.